Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom app. So I hope this video will help you to use the Zoom because nowadays everywhere Zoom is using, even in the conference and home purpose and school, college. So let's begin how to use the Zoom. Just go to the mobile app home screen and select the Play Store, and it's already show here, so you can search here in Zoom Cloud Meeting. It's already mentioned here. I had already downloaded in my mobile, so when you first time it will show to install. Just install it. After that, open the Zoom. And it will show like this. Then go to the sign up, and it's showing please confirm your date of birth. So make it, because this is my another Gmail, it's not my own Gmail, so I have changed my details here. I'm confused it's correct or not. Okay, I have the details. Then put your Gmail here and make it sign up. So check it in your Gmail ID, they will send some mail. This is the mail from the Zoom. So press it active account. So it will show whatever you want. You can make it okay. I will make it no if you are in school, I think. So now account information, so put the password here. I think so create the password here. You have to put the 8 characters, at least one letter, one number, including upper and lower case. So as usual, this is the rule of the password. So I will create the one. So I think I did the wrong. I have to make okay. Confirm password. You can save name, domain. Now it's now okay. Make it start meeting. Then now press the, because you have already downloaded, so go to the join meeting. Sorry, if you need to join, you can join. 1 minute leave. Now your account is created. Now go to the sign in and press the Google, because you have signed from the Google account. Now press it the which one you sign in. This is my Gmail account, and they are asking December 25. And create account. It's already my account is on. Now this is the surface of Zoom. So when you first time you install the Zoom, there is some problem most of the people are faced. So first, this is the new meeting. If you are going to host this, you have to press new meeting. If you want to join some other your friends meeting, friends room, then you go to the join and press the her or his meeting ID, then make it press the join, it will join. So I will show you from the join new meeting. If you are the host, then press it new meeting. This is your meeting ID. If you want to share your ID, this is the ID. So let's start meeting, and it will show like this. So first time when you use the Zoom, it will show here because I have already used, so it will not show here. But mostly first time if you use the Zoom, it will show in this mic button. There is the join with audio or connect via a device like that. So first press it that button, so it will appear this mic stop button like this. So if you want to speak, make it like this. If you want to mute, press this mic button, it will unmute. Most of the people are confused in here. They are make the unmute, and they are saying I didn't, my voice is not hearing my friend like that. So just remember this one. If you want to speak, press like this. If you want to mute, make it like this. And for video, if you press this video button, it will stop. If you want to start again, start. And this is the if somebody you are invite and somebody come, it will show in the participate. Here you can see who is your friends is come, so it will appear here. You have to make the admit, and if you want to share your ID, you can press invite, and you can, if you want to send from messenger, select it messenger, and your details will automatically, you can like this. If you go to like this, then you can send your details all your friends. And if you want to send your ID in WhatsApp, then press this one, copy invite link, then go to the WhatsApp, then make it paste here. So this is here, you can send your invitation like this, WhatsApp or messenger. Sorry. So this one I will show you how to create an account from the Gmail. Now if you want to end the meeting, press here and end meeting, your meeting will end. So for join, you can, if you want to join your friends meeting, go to the join, then press it here, your meeting ID. Like I have the so many friends, so I can press this meeting, then go to the join meeting. Now it's already on, so let's end here. And you can share the in this is the very good things in Zoom. You can even share your PowerPoint or mobile document, anything, even video in your Zoom meeting when you conference. So let's go to start meeting. And if you want to share your PowerPoint, some document, whatever you have in your computer or mobile, just press the share screen. So what you want to share, I will share in my from my mobile. So go to the screen, start. Now this is the my mobile. So what you want, I will share in the my this Bible verse. So now it's showing in the your friends screen. So if you want to stop, just go here and stop it. Make the end. Now let's go back, and now I will if you want to sign out, go here and sign out. After that, same like this, if you want to sign in from Facebook, so first go to the sign up, cancel, go to the sign in, and this is the Facebook. One second, I will show you again. I think this is little confusion. So if you want to previous one, I will show you how to sign in from the Gmail. Now I will show you how to log in from the Facebook. Just go to the sign in button, press the Facebook. Most of the people nowadays using Facebook, so better you can log in from Facebook. So put it your details here. Day, year, now continue, create account. Now it will show like that. Then you can, this is new meeting, join meeting, and this is schedule. You can make the schedule meeting. It means if you want to start tomorrow or after 1 week, you can put it everything, all details here, and you can share it the same your ID. So and that day you can start your meeting. So I hope this video will help you to how to use Zoom. And if you have any question, anything, please you can make the write in comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share this video if you benefit from this video. Thank you.